guys so much for coming in. Welcome to my fridge. Hello everybody. Thank you for coming to my home to see what's in my fridge. Thank you to the channel Fun with Charlene, letting me represent my family, the Kardashians. And we're just gonna be talking with you today about what we do and things that we're up to. Let's see. Normally we're vegetarian. We don't eat any meat. We just try to eat healthy and be as healthy as possible because we have so many things that we have to do and take care of. So I'm just really happy and thankful that you guys came today so you can see what's in my fridge. Poofy, be quiet. It's Poofy. He's just running around here. The kids, they let him out of the room. You know, we got all these kids. And so they're just running around. And hopefully they don't come out, you know. Northwest, she just loves to come out here when I'm busy in the front of the camera. So today we're just going to be going into the refrigerator to see what I actually have in my refrigerator. I think you guys will be pleasantly surprised to know that we eat so healthy. All of us, every one of us, even the dogs eat healthy as well. I don't know what's wrong with them today. Do you guys need your yogurt? What's going on? You need yogurt today? Anyway, so anyway, we're just going to be getting ready because we do have a fashion show later on today that we're going to Calabasas. But no more ado here. Let's go ahead and head on over to the fridge to see what's in our fridge. We are going to be going into my refrigerator so you guys can see a personal look at what we have in our fridge. I'm standing in front of the fridge and we're going to see what's in here, okay? This is what we keep in our freezer. We always keep it stocked. Like I said, we eat very healthy. As you can see, we eat a lot of smoothies. The kids, they might eat the yogurt, but we just have smoothies and we have no meat. Sometimes we don't eat cheese. Never mind, we don't eat cheese. The dogs, nope. They eat cottage cheese or yogurt maybe, but we don't give our dog any type of dry dog food or any of that stuff because we want to keep them healthy. And you want to come here? Come on, let me show you on the camera. Show how healthy you guys are. Who wants to come to me? All right. Here comes. Come on. Here, well, that was Chanel. Come on, girl. Okay, they don't want to be on camera. They're kind of shy. Okay, let's see what we have in the fridge. These are all the things that we have in our fridge. We keep everything at a minimal because we don't want the kids going crazy eating all type of stuff. So we just keep it stocked with the things that we need. Mandarin orange water for me. Mayonnaise and water for me. Milk for the kids. Yogurt for the kids. Whipped cream for Kanye. And that's what's in my fridge. Anyway, I really appreciate you guys coming in today to see what we have in our fridge. I have to go to Calabasas and get some more groceries because we need some more ingredients to make more smoothies, because that's all we eat is smoothies. You know, I gotta keep the figures together, you know. Yeah, so that's our thing. We have to keep the figure. Yeah, that's mostly what we eat around here. So thank you guys for coming in. I appreciate you. And that's what's in my fridge. And I hope you guys have a great day. Please subscribe to Charlene's channel, Fun with Charlene. Please, please, please. I want to promote her channel for her. And hope she's doing well. And I guess we'll talk to her soon. But anyway, thank you guys for coming by. Have a good day. We're not gonna let all these assets go to waste, are we? We're gonna do us a fashion show. Much for coming in. I hope you subscribe. Come on, you wanna be on camera? Come on, come on, let me pick you up. Nobody. Come on. Ready when you are. Fridge. Dun, 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 dun.